Sorry that I'm the one who's going to tell you that, but please stop using frequency separation. It's dead. If you scroll through YouTube and video tutorials about retouching, this method is considered to be
the holy grail of skin retouching.
But I can tell you it's not. What it really is, it's totally outdated. And nobody who is really working in the industry is using that method. At least anymore. Maybe you think, but Robert, what are you talking about? Shut the f... Just kidding. Stop. Listen to me. It looks totally artificial. It looks overdone. It looks fake. Clients nowadays want to achieve a very natural look. They don't want to be considered as fake and artificial. This is something from the 2000s, I would say, or 2010. But now they really don't want to be seen as companies who promote a fake and artificial look. Because this is something that reflects on their products. There is only one use case I can think of using this method. And this is like cleaning fabric. Even there, you wouldn't go that general, like global. You always try to work very selective. And this is why it takes hours to retouch an image on a very high level, and this is why retouching is still very expensive. I can tell you, there is no fast way to achieve great skin retouching. You have to use the healing brush and dutching and burning, like micro dutching and burning, and doing it for hours. There is no fast path. But if you're lazy and you don't want to spend that much time for skin retouching, you have two options. Don't do it, wait. Because I think in the future, maybe 2 years from now, there will be AI-based technology which does a great job on that. But for now, you have to do it the hard way. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. That would be great. It would help me a lot. And if you want to see more, maybe how I've retouched an image from start to finish, check out this video. I show you my entire process. It's free.